Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Lovable AI to WordPress. So in here, I logged into my Lovable AI and then I asked it to how to connect Lovable AI to WordPress, and it gave me this website with a lot of details, with very detailed mm, information. And if you scroll down, you will see here the step-by-step integration guide. So you can just follow these steps to seamlessly connect your Lovable project to WordPress. So the first step is to set up your Lovable project rather. So you can sign up for a Lovable account at the lovable.dev and then create a new project or use an existing one. Now from there, design and build your site using AI prompts and then test your website in the preview window. Step number 2 is to export your Lovable code. So connect your GitHub account to Lovable and then push your project to a GitHub repository and then just download the code or clone the repository locally. So your code is standard React/Vite with modern technologies. And then for step number 3 is to convert to WordPress theme. So create a new WordPress theme folder and then convert React components to PHP templates. So integrate WordPress functions and hooks and add WordPress specific files like for example style.css or functions.php. Next is to upload and activate. Now you can upload them files to wp-content/themes and /. So just go ahead and copy this and then activate the theme in WordPress admin. So configure theme settings and customizations, and then you can then test all functionality and responsiveness. So here are the technical requirements. So first is active Lovable account, completed project ready for export, GitHub account for code export, and basic understanding of this design tokens. Now for the WordPress requirements, you have to have the WordPress 5.0 plus installation, the FTP or SFTP access to your server, the PHP 7.4 plus and MySQL 5.6 plus, and the basic PHP WordPress theme project. So you can also have here the frequently asked questions, so you can just go ahead and see those. So that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!